Hello guys, welcome to another exciting video. In today's video, we would be solving a practical substitution into formula question in mathematics, right? So let's quickly delve into the question. So our question for the day is, given that u equals 5, v equals 3, and w equals 2, solve the equation leaving your answer in three significant figures, right? So our given equation is giving us the fraction 10 multiplying u multiplying v square minus w over 15u minus v, right? So let's quickly solve it. So based upon the preamble of the question, right, our equation is giving us the fraction 10 multiplying u multiplying v square minus w over 15u minus v, right? So we are going to have our equation to be the fraction 10 multiplying 5 multiplying 3 square minus 2 over 15 multiplying 5 minus 3, right? Because we have to insert our values into the equation, and u is giving us 5, okay, and v is giving us 3, while w is giving us 2. So in inserting our values, we are going to have the fraction 10 multiplying 5 multiplying 3 square minus 2 over 15 multiplying 5 minus 3. So 3 square is giving us 3 multiplying itself, right? A number multiplying itself is the square of that number. So 3 square is giving us 3 times 3. Okay, so 3 times 3 is 9, right? So we are going to have our equation simplified as the fraction 10 multiplying 5 multiplying 9 minus 2 over 15 multiplying 5 minus 3, right? So in simplifying further, 5 multiplying 9 will give us 45, right? And 15 multiplying 5 will give us 75. So we are going to further have our equation to be 10 multiplying 45 minus 2 over 75 minus 3, right? So 10 multiplying 45 will give us 450. So we are going to have our equation to be 450 minus 2 over 72, right? So 450 minus 2 will give us 448. Okay, so our equation is going to be further simplified to 448, the fraction 448 over 72. So 448 over 72 will give us 6.2222222222 to infinity, right? So based on the preamble of our question, we are asked to leave our answer in three significant figures. So in leaving our answer in three significant figures, we are going to have our final answer to be 6.22, right? Thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.